Yeah, I'll be making bugatti chiron noises with my mouth in my bathroom and hope my parents don't yell at me. Here we go. Part 1. Bugatti Chiron. Favorite car. W16 motor. That. I'm gonna show you a clip of what it sounds like, and then I'll copy it. Alright, my turn. What do you think? Is that pretty good imitation? Or copiness? Whatever you call it. Precious Bugatti. Oh yeah, these things in real life are like, what, 3 million? Yeah, it's my dream to send one of these. Not like too expensive. Come on.